Hello friends, you are welcome on my channel Kids BOON. It is the fifth video of cursive writing series of small letters. Today we are going to learn letter A and O based on stroke number 1. इन वीडियो में मैं आपको बिल्कुल स्टेप बाय स्टेप बता रही हूँ। यदि इसी तरह से आप बच्चों को सिखाएंगे तो वो बहुत जल्दी सीख जाएंगे। आइए शुरू करते हैं। A says A. A apple. Aunt. Put the dot on the third line. Pencil on the dot. Go slant line up. Slant line up. Take a turn. Take a turn. Come back on the same line till half. Make a new line with a open curve. Go up and come back on the same line and tail. This is A. Again, slant line up and take a turn. Slant line up, take a turn, come back till half and make a new line with curve. Turn and make a new line and go up and tail. This is A. O. O says O. O orange. O owl. Put on the dot. Pencil on the dot. Go slant line up. Slant line up. Make a slight curve. Slant line up, make a curve, come back and make a new line. Make a curve, make a new line, go up and tail. Again, slant line up, make a turn, and come back on the same line and make a curve. Turn and make a curve, go up and tail. This is O. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.